Next up, we're going to take a look at how you can make a quiz from a web-based resource, such as a YouTube video. So I have a YouTube video shown here. This is all about how AI works in everyday life, and I want the students to watch this video, but then I want them to answer a couple of questions to assess their knowledge. And so when you're on a web-based resource, such as this YouTube video, you will find that the Brisk icon does show up down below. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And from there, I'm going to use the Create button. Once I click Create, you'll notice one of the first choices is a quiz. And so again, I'm on a web-based resource. This YouTube video does give me the option to create a quiz directly from it. This quiz would also work on things like maybe a PDF document or an article or again, any other web-based resource. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Quiz. And then you'll see a similar dialog box that you've been noticing in some of the other videos. So I want to make sure my settings look good. I want to make sure my grade level is correct. The quiz does give you some choices with the question type. So you have multiple choice, short response, or long response. So for now, I'm going to leave it on multiple choice. And then as far as the question amounts, you can go up to 20 questions. If you do need more than 20, you can just run this again and add additional questions. But I'm going to just start with 5 quick questions. But in general, I would recommend picking a higher number than you need because you might not like all the questions, and that way you can just take out ones that you don't necessarily like. Again, before I hit Brisket, I do want to consider the prompt. What should we be covering? And I might just go real simple and just say, create questions from this YouTube video. I do have the option to connect it to standards, but in this case, I'm just going to go real simple and know that it will do a good job because it will take a look at the transcript from the video and it'll pull questions from the content. I do also want to point out this one option that you'll see here on the top right. So the output format, there are a few different choices. So I can have the questions be sent to a Google Doc, or I can have them sent right to a Google form, or even now they've added a Word document option. So I'm going to click on Google Form. That to me is one of my favorites. I think it's a nice, easy way because then you can have the students just electronically answering the questions. And now I'm going to click on Brisket. So it's going to take a minute or two and it'll generate those questions for you. And now you'll notice it's opening up a new tab. So it's going to start creating the quiz for me. And I'm already seeing my questions starting to appear. So I only asked for 5 in this case. And so far, I like the questions that I'm seeing. Sometimes I think just having the different answer choices is a really nice feature. It's easy to come up with the questions, but it's not always easy to come up with all the different answer choices. So I like what I'm seeing. If I didn't like it or if I wanted to make some changes, I can definitely use some of these options or, just again, run it again specifically. And maybe you want to say things like, give me some word problems or give me some scenario type questions. You can put anything you want in that prompt. So now my Google form is basically up and running and ready to go. I could share it with my students and have them answer. So again, a really nice, quick, easy way to create some questions based on any resource that is web-based.